Hello everyone. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can use the shortcut keys to sum. So for example, I have a spreadsheet here. So in Q1 I want to add all the values that are listed from New York to Utah. So I want to display the total in this cell where it says total. So all I have to do, I'm going to select the cell that I want to display the total, and I'll use the shortcut key Alt equal, and as you can see it selects all the values. I'll hit enter and I get the total. So if I want to add the value of these four cells, I just have to select the cell and hit Alt equal, and I get the total here. I can do this by row also. For example, New York, I have Q1, Q2, Q3 and Q4. So I'll just select the cell that I want to display the total value. On the keyboard, I'll hit Alt equal and it select all the values. Now if I only just want Q2, Q3 and Q4, I can just hold the edge with the mouse and just drag it. And I'll release the mouse, hit enter, and I get the total value for Q2, Q3 and Q4 is displayed. So I can get the total value. For example, California, I just want the total values of Q3 and Q4. So I'll just highlight the two cells, use the shortcut key Alt equal, and the sum total values for these two cells is displayed instantly. I'll do this also for New Jersey. So for New Jersey, I'll just sum the values of Q2, Q3 and Q4. I'll select all the three cells and I'll use the shortcut key Alt equal, and instantly I get the total value of the three cells. So for Florida, I'm just going to add the values of Q1 to Q4. So I'll just highlight the values in the four cells. I'll use the shortcut key Alt equal, and I get the total sum value. So I hope this video was helpful to you. I thank you for watching and I thank you for subscribing.